young gun with the quick fuse. I was uptight, I wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna lead my old life.
Hey buddy, happy birthday, happy 9th birthday. Your mom and I wanted you to know how proud we are of you and that being your parent is the best job we'll ever have and ever have had. You make me happy and you make your mom happy every single day. We love you so much. Happy birthday, bud.
We're proud of the little man you're becoming. We love you.
Go Jack.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Go Jack.
Feel the thunder.
Hey Jack, it's me and Uncle Les and Papa, and we want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack.
We miss and love you. Hopefully maybe next year we can celebrate on your birthday. We love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
For the masses, who do you think you are? You're dreaming about being a big star.
Hey Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday.
Bella says woof woof. Happy
woof,
birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday to you. Hope you're having a great time.
9, huh?
Miss you. Can't wait to see you.
We love you.
Hopefully very soon. All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Jackie. Happy birthday to you and many more. We love you. All right. Talk to you later.
Birthday, Jack. Turning 9. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. A couple years, you know, give it, 7 or so years, you might even get a car. I know you've been looking forward to that. So happy birthday. Just know you're a good kid and I got your back, bud. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jack. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Jack. Happy birthday, Jack. We wish you have a nice birthday today. And a nice day in general. We miss you.
Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.